And they're off. And early lead is taken by Don Enrico from the outside, S26 by the rail, Sword of War, and Gypsy Gray. I did it my way on the outside, and Tiger Wood, Shining Fame. And passing before the judges stand is the favorite Don Enrico leading the field, followed by I Did It My Way, Gypsy Gray, S26, Sword of War, and Tiger Wood, Shining Fame. And as they leave the straight, it's Don Enrico leading the field by 3 lengths, followed by S26 by the rail. I Did It My Way on the outside, and Gypsy Gray moving up on the farther outside to take third. Into the back stretch, it is still the favorite Don Enrico by 2.5 lengths. I Did It My Way, and Gypsy Gray by the rail in third, and S26 Sword of War, Shining Fame, and Tiger Wood. The mid-back stretch, it is still Don Enrico by 3 lengths, followed by I Did It My Way, and Gypsy Gray remains in third by the rail, S26 Sword of War, Shining Fame, and Tiger Wood. And rounding the far third, it is still Don Enrico by 1.5 lengths, followed by Gypsy Gray in second, and running in third, I Did It My Way by 3.5 lengths, Sword of War, S26, Shining Fame, and Tiger Wood. The last bend for home, it is still Don Enrico by 3.5 lengths, followed by Gypsy Gray in second. I Did It My Way, Sword of War moving up, and S26, Tiger Wood, and Shining Fame. The top of the stretch, it is still Don Enrico now pulling away from the field. It is still the champion, Don Enrico, leading the field and nearing the payoff line. It's like a walk in the park for Don Enrico winning the Classic Championship of the Marho Breeders' Cup. Gypsy Gray, I Did It My Way, Sword of War, S26.